Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Lumispa. Alright, cool. So just came in the mail literally like 10 minutes ago and got my camera and everything set up so we could unbox the Lumispa here, which is my new favorite tool, I hope. So lately I've been making a lot of YouTube videos and videos for Facebook and all of that good stuff. And I've been noticing some differences in my face, noticing some ages, some wrinkles and things like that. And so what I want to do is fix that. So I've actually found a product that is supposed to do a great job on that. And all I've heard is raving reviews of this one. So I'm going to find out myself. For those of you that know me, I like to try out products on my own, give them my true 100% review. So from this company, I've already tried out their toothpaste, and it's a whitening toothpaste. It worked out phenomenally. And then also my girlfriend uses the self-tanner. It's a tanner gel. What's cool about the gel is it doesn't stain your hands or streak or anything like that. So, all right, so the boxing so far, super impressed. They do a good job with the actual boxing. You know, sometimes you buy something and it's not the cheapest product in the world and it comes in this crappy boxing. That's pretty unfortunate. So I like the way that they've got this box here. You pull it out in your hand. It feels pretty nice. It's not very heavy at all. Feels like it's perfect. It's gonna fit nice. You can actually, it's waterproof, so I'm gonna keep mine in the shower, and you're supposed to use it for 2 minutes a day in the morning and 2 minutes a day in the evening for the best results. So I usually only take a shower in the morning to get my day started, but I'll just use it outside of the shower at the sink in the evening. It comes with the regular head here. As you can see there, this is the regular head, and this is for regular to normal skin. I also got as a side purchase, I went ahead and ordered a second head here. And this one is actually just called the firm head. So that way I can try this one out. What's great is my girlfriend will use the regular size head and the regular powered head. And then I will personally use the more firm head on there. So what's great is for multiple people in your household, you can use the same unit and you just swap out the heads. Very simple as far as that goes. So you got that. That's the actual device. It does also come with some cream. So you'll use this as the actual cream on your face before. This is called the Normal Combo Treatment Cleanser. And you just put that on your face and use that there. We'll open up right here. So inside, it also comes with the nice instructions on how to use it. I've definitely learned to use instructions. I've been putting a lot of furniture together and just a lot of new products. And I used to just like get after it and hope it came together. But after many years of finding out that something could potentially go wrong, I've just been starting to read the actual directions, and it's been a great help. So I recommend all of you out there, read the directions. It's not that big of a deal. So inside here, you're also going to get the base, which you can see here. This is going to be your charging base. And then it comes with the charging cord. So it's just like almost like an electric toothbrush or something. It's going to plug in right into the back here. This will plug right into the wall, wherever you'd like to plug it. In fact, let me see here. I will go ahead and plug this one in so we can give it a little charge up anyway, because I'm ready to use it. I've actually been waiting for this. So I ordered it only 2 days ago. It was supposed to take 5 to 7 days to get here, and it's already here. So I love that. Thank you very much, Lumispa Delivery. And then so you've got it plugged in. After it's plugged in there, you'll just simply take it and plug it into the base. And as you can see, it's starting to charge for you. The base is actually nice looking too, so it doesn't look awful on your countertop, which is obviously important. I'm not going to keep it out at all times. You only have to keep it out while charging, and then you can put it all away as far as that goes. So that's it. So inside the box, there's the rest of the box. Again, like I said, they did a phenomenal job of packing. It looks really nice. When you spend a good amount of money, you want to make sure that it comes looking good when you expect good packaging. I was actually just talking about that with my girlfriend the other day. We bought another iPad, and the Apple packaging is incredible. And then she bought the Apple Pen, and even this little Apple Pen, it comes like remarkable packaging. So with this item here, very, very impressed with their packaging. They did a phenomenal job, and it was definitely worth it. So the next thing we'll do is we'll give this a shot, see how it works, and I'll give you a review on that part. So have a wonderful day. That was the unboxing of the Lumispa. Talk to you later.